Koniec?
What's up?
What are you looking at? Don't even think about touching me. Don't. I said no, all right? Get those filthy hands. I don't know where those, Sharon. Don't. I said don't touch me. And you stink. Sharon, your kid stinks. What? I didn't. I barely even touched him.
Hey Gerald, man, back on up, Playboy. We talking grown folks business in here.
Hello there. Have a bite. I don't need the bucket. No! He's taking the...
Dude, are you okay? Come on. Shh.
Well done, well done.
Yes, איזה כיף תחת של כלב מול הפנים. וואו!
That's what I love. Nestle Crunch. Hello? Hello. Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh. What the are you doing, Giz?
1 hour later.
What are you doing now? Oh, a fly! Oh. He was striking one of those little gnats. What the?
When your dog don't play about you.
Who? What? Who got into my food? Oh my God. You little shit. Satan, was that you? Did you get into my food? Why, you little shit.
Oh my gosh.
Off the step.
Hey!
We found this cat in the dog food.
Hey, okay. Hey, listen, focus. Hey.
I'm putting him on the cat tree since Romy took the dog bed.
My mom and dad decided to take me to Cabela's for the first time. I really thought the raccoon was real.
Right! No! Don't! Right! No! 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 Stop! No! No! Right! No! 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 What? Right! No!
What the y'all doing? Y'all rationing around here? Come on, hook me up. 2 little string beans. Give me the goddamn string beans. I want some fucking devil eggs. I like fruit. Don't you like fruit? I like fruit.
Oh, are you guys doing your own version of Shen Yun? Wow. Okay. Oh, thank you.
Don't stick your fingers in there. Wait. What'd you do? Oh, what a shit. That's my paper.
Sam, do you want to come in? Come in. Okay.